Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be exploring some important features of the temperature sensor, as well as how to build and code the sensor into your prototype. Please know that we advise you watch this video thoroughly before building and uploading your code to the Redboard. Mixed wiring could result with the temperature sensor becoming too hot to touch. The temperature sensor, also technically referred to as TMP36, is a low voltage centigrade sensor providing a voltage output proportional to Celsius temperature readings. This sensor can report temperatures between -40 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Each pin on the temperature sensor has a specific function. The left pin is the voltage input. The middle pin is the voltage output, which sends information from your surrounding environment to your serial monitor. And the right pin is the ground. We're now going to jump into how to build your temperature sensor. For this activity, you'll need a Redboard, a breadboard, a temperature sensor, 1 LED, and 6 male-to-male jumper cables. Be sure to follow the step-by-step diagram to build a prototype using the temperature sensor to light up an LED when the surrounding temperatures get warmer. There are 3 legs on the temperature sensor to be mindful of. The right leg is connected to the black wire, which is the ground. The center leg is the yellow wire, which is connected to the analog 0 pin, and the left leg is the red wire, which is connected to the 5 volts. After completing your build, now launch your Arduino IDE and add the following code into your sketch. The code roughly means the constant integer being declared will always have a constant value and won't change. For example, the temperature sensor is always set to analog 0, and the LED pin will always be set to pin 3. Also be aware that spelling, capitalization, and punctuation are important when declaring a name to a specific pin number. Inside the curly brackets of the void setup, the serial begin will send data to the serial monitor at 9600 bits per second, and the pin mode establishes the LED as an output. Inside the void loop, the integer temperature voltage, analog read, and serial print line all create a variable to store temperature voltage values. This if-else statement implies that if the temperature voltage is more than 140, turn the LED on, or else keep the LED turned off if the temperature voltage is less than 140. The delay will pause for 200 milliseconds before looping again. After completing your code, make sure the Redboard is connected to your computer using the USB connection. Also ensure your port is selected to the COM with the highest number. Once connected, you're ready to verify and upload your code. After uploading your code to the Redboard, do not try to touch the temperature sensor. In case your sensor is connected backwards, the temperature sensor will become noticeably hotter and unsafe to touch. Remember, electricity will always take the path of least resistance, so if you accidentally provide a path that is directly wired from the 5 volts to the ground, this will create a short circuit. Use your serial monitor to determine if your temperature sensor is returning accurate voltage values. Any reading below 500 is a good indication that your temperature sensor is working properly. However, if readings show anything above 500, quickly unplug your USB connection and be sure to allow your temperature sensor to cool before adjusting. Once confirmed your temperature sensor is functioning correctly, place your finger gently on the sensor to change the surrounding temperature. This should increase the numbers being displayed on your serial monitor. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And be sure to check out our other videos on our First Nations Mesa channel.